Good evening friends, this is your HR friend Girish coming to our previous two videos, that is part 1 and part 2, and this video is part 3 of our very important discussion on the topic and the document which is called as the appointment letter. Yes dear friends, yes dear professional friends, the appointment letter is very important legal document which is being ratified by the latest labor codes and even all the prior labor laws, legislations, and the concerned labor departments of state and central government. They'll recognize and gratify the appointment letter given by the human resource administration department of a company or the factory or the firm and the company management to the concerned employee, he or she who is going to join or already joined the his or her duties and responsibilities in the company, factory or the offices and the branch offices. And why the appointment letter is recognized as the legal document. So let us discuss in this concluding video on this topic. Why means the appointment letter consists of all the important parameters and the drafts like annexure A, annexure B, annexure C, and even annexure D, and even other annexures also. And dear professional friends, about all these annexure A, B, C, D, already I have explained in my previous two videos on the same topic. And coming to a concluding video, this is the third and concluding video. We need to be very careful when we are drafting the appointment letter. Many of the professionals, even in the industry also, after having a lot of experience, they think that appointment letter is same. Only the thing is the draft is same. We need to remove the name, address and the mobile number of the new joinee. Just we need to put remaining all the drafts and the details are same. We need to just take a printout and we need to give to him or her and take the token of acceptance and file it. But it's not true. Why means this is not a professional way of handling the things. And when we are providing or drafting an appointment letter, the appointment letter is exclusively drafted to exclusive specific domains and exclusive specific employees, specific departments, specific hierarchies. When we are drafting an appointment letter for a vice president, senior vice president, chief technological officer, chief finance officer, and the chief executive officer and the chief operating officer, all the things of annexure A, B, C, D, all the things are going to change, and all the important things are very clearly and specifically crystal clearly mentioned, that how an employee is abide and obedient abide by the company compliances and the company charter. And this is already mentioned in the annexure C, which is code of conduct and code of confidentiality. And the appointment letter is very much important and evident document. Please note on this point, dear friends. Appointment letter is evident document, or it is very important evidence at the time of any kind of industrial relation disputes or IR disputes occurred between the human resource administration department, company management and the concerned employee who is presently working or already exit from the company, factory or the office. So this appointment letter is also very important reference to the concerned area, jurisdiction, labor inspector and the labor officer and even the labor commissioner officials, that how, what kind of agreement or what kind of understanding are there between the company management, HR department and the employee who is already working and who had already left the organization or the company. So all these things are clearly mentioned in the appointment letter. In any case of IR disputes or industrial relation disputes, this appointment letter can be produced by the HR department and the company management before the labor inspector or the labor officer or the commissioner, labor commissioner officials, to clear our stand that how and why and when and for what purpose this concerned employee has been hired and what are his or her roles and responsibility, remuneration and code of conduct and code of confidentiality. So for each and every employee or each and every manager or head of the department, the appointment letter is totally different. So then how to draft the appointment letter? Yes, your HR friend Girish is here. So dear friends, I can provide you a complete guidance of how to draft the appointment letter, that is employee wise, cadre wise, manager wise, domain wise, profile wise and the hierarchy wise. For each and every employee, the appointment letter is differently drafted. So I can help you by providing the complete professional and legal kind of appointment letter, legal document kind of appointment letter, and I can draft. Only the thing is you need to provide me details of the job description, position and the employee and remaining complete appointment letter, which consists of annexure A, B, C, D and even other annexures in case they are required. That will be clearly drafted personally by me and provided by you. Only the thing is you need to just take a printout of that. Original you can give to the concerned employee and on the photocopy take the or on the true copy you can take the token of acceptance from the employee and file and build the employee concerned employee file by putting the appointment letter, which is the first document to build the concerned employee file. And yes, dear friends, I think in these three videos I am trying to convince you specifically to the human resource and administration senior professionals, those are working in many of the companies, professionally managed company and the multinationals, and more than that you can say company management. I am trying to convince you all our company management that we need to provide exclusive appointment letter to different employees and the cadres and the hierarchy in the interest of the company management and in the interest of the company, even in the future cases also. And here even this appointment letter also in the interest of the employee, both the sides. So here I can provide you the best kind of draft of appointment letter, individual appointment letter drafted individually based on their roles and responsibility and their statement of work. So my dear professional friends and the company management, kindly approach me and take my consultancy on your professional need basis, not only for raising a different kind of appointment letter, but also from latest updated labor laws, labor legislations and new guidelines from the state and central labor department and how those can be implemented in your company, firm, office, branch office, corporate office and the factory and the manufacturing units and even including the warehouses. Thank you very much my dear friends for listening these part 1, part 2, part 3 videos, and this is the concluding part of part 3. In any case of queries and questions if you have, so kindly comment on any of these 3 videos of part 1, part 2, part 3 and I shall be answering or replying to your questions and queries on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much my dear friends and my dear professional friends for giving your valuable time for these 3 part 1, part 2, part 3 videos from my side. So thank you very much, and I am expecting your valuable appreciations and I am expecting your valuable business associations in the field of human resource administration and also from starting hiring to relieving. So let us note down hiring to relieving. I can help you in all the gamuts. Thank you very much. This is your HR friend Girish. Bye. Namaskara.